You have been given a strong sedative, so you'll probably be feeling the after effects. Your first question may be, who am I? But that's not your concern. Removing the earpiece currently in your ear will cripple your chances of surviving this ordeal. In your pocket, you will find all the specifics on your target. His name is Carlos Estevez, leader of the Union Circle. You may not have heard of them, but they are a deadly underground gang. As of the moment you woke up, you have 15 minutes to terminate the subject. You will find a weapon concealed in the wall at the end of the alleyway. One bullet is loaded in the chamber, so use it wisely. In front of me are two people who may be important to you. The two people you love the most, your beloved wife and your newborn son. Obviously you have no reason to believe me, but do you really want to take that risk? If you choose to proceed, be careful. Estevez may well be armed and is an extremely dangerous and cunning individual. Our informers have tipped us off that we'll be securing a deal at Queen's Court Alley. You have one shot, one chance. Don't mess this up.
The target fell for the decoy, but he was not the boss. 15 minutes exactly, our informants were correct. Time to fall back to plan B.